How to make festive movie night snack cookies. My movie night snack cookies have quickly become a holiday favorite around our home. The idea is simple. It's a basic sugar cookie, and then you stir in your favorite movie time treats like popcorn, pretzels, or candy. A great time-saving tip would be to use Moose Munch Premium Popcorn since it contains all the snacks in one package. As you can see, the popcorn and pretzels bake right into the cookie, making it a textural treat for your mouth. I do admit adding popcorn to a cookie is a very unexpected ingredient, but it's perfect for those holiday movie nights. What is your favorite holiday movie? We have our trusted old standbys that we have to see every year, which include Christmas Vacation, Elf, The Grinch, A Christmas Story, and of course, Christmas with the Cranks. And while watching our favorite movies, snacks are of the utmost importance. They have to be tasty holiday treats. Be sure to pick snacks that really put you into the holiday mood. One of our favorites is Peppermint Bark, which is even tasty stirred into your popcorn. Then it's time to kick back, relax, and enjoy some much-needed family time watching all the traditional favorites on TV. To see this entire recipe, please visit www.genrondesigns.com.